In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the star tool to create and customize star shapes with ease. Whether you're designing a logo, crafting an artistic pattern, or illustrating a night sky, understanding how to master star shapes will elevate your creative projects. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and clear understanding. First, we need to select the star tool. You'll find this in the left toolbar. It's often nestled either under the shapes or the polygon tools. This little tool is your ticket to quickly creating star shapes without any hassle. Once you've selected the star tool, head over to your canvas. Here, you simply need to click and drag to draw your star. Now, here's a tip to keep in mind. While you're dragging, you can hold down the Shift key to constrain the proportions of your star. This means it will maintain a perfect geometric balance, keeping all its arms equal. Alternatively, if you prefer to draw your star from the center point, press and hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. Choose whatever feels right for your design needs. Once you have your star on the canvas, you have the option to customize it using on-canvas handles and the context toolbar. As soon as your star is in place, or even while you're still dragging it into position, you'll notice some red handles or control nodes popping up around it. These handles are incredibly useful, allowing you to tweak various aspects of your star's design. You can adjust the number of points, deciding how many spikes your star boasts, which affects its visual complexity and style. Now, let's talk about the inner radius. This setting controls how far the inner dips of the star go, basically determining the depth of each spike. Additionally, you can modify the outer and inner circle roundings. This refinement lets you smooth the points of your star, giving it a softer, more organic look if desired. For those who fancy a bit more flair, there's an option to curve the edges of the star, transforming straight, sharp lines into elegant, flowing curves. In the context toolbar, you'll see controls, making it simple to manage these settings. Tweak the number of points, adjust the inner radius, and explore the outer and inner circle options. Don't forget that curved edges checkbox if you want to switch from straight to curved arms. After you've crafted the perfect star shape, the fun really begins. You can add a fill, play with stroke colors and thickness, and even apply various effects. Just like with any other shape, these additional touches can enhance your design, allowing you to experiment with different looks and feels. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and customizing star shapes with the star tool, turning simple clicks and drags into beautiful design elements.